And we're back in another video, guys. Your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
Casey.
Alright, so guys, today, we've got none other than Suhn himself. With Kikky and
Crooger. Uncle Crooger.
Uncle Nyeo. Uncle Nyeo. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Habana. Nyeo.
Yeah. But it's Suhn with featuring the 40 gang.
40 gang, yeah.
40 gang. So this is called Ndeyechii. But time ka. Suhn actually dropped an EP or mixtape.
The thing is, I know that it's a mixtape. It's a
from nowhere, bro. From nowhere.
It was 1, 2. It was like
no marketing, no what shit.
Out now.
Out now
on YouTube. Those are good.
But yeah, shout out to Suhn, bro.
Shout out.
From what we've heard, these are bangers.
Bangers. And
of course, it's got his sound. Suhn sound as but I don't what he fucks with. But hey, if you like Suhn, please comment down below. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Suhn, Ndeyechii, badass Crooger. Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Bitches, look at me. Look at me. Total my nuts. When I speak, you look at me. When the king is giving speeches, look at me. Cause they're riding on my ways.
We got Crooger in the cut. We got Kikky in the cut. Son and 40 gang, but they throwing 50s in the cut. Where the Chardonnay, pop it like a blicky in the cut. We ain't gonna play. All my niggas with me in the cut. Go fight this dead shit. When I'm gone, I'm back with side.
Wait, when's that?
Go violence Ndeyechii.
Okay. I see.
There's Ndeyechii.
There's a G.
My district Ndeyechii. Okay, alright. It's okay.
Like, we ain't gonna play. All my niggas with me in the cut. Go fight this dead shit. When I'm gone, I'm back with silence, Ndeyechii. She bad as fuck, I hit her once, go tight on Ndeyechii. Boy.
Oh, why is it? Wait.
She bad as fuck, I hit her once, go tight on Ndeyechii.
I hit her once, go tight on Ndeyechii.
Ndeyechii.
Kwandiri.
What do you want?
Urukudei.
Ndeyechii.
What are we?
Autoda is very extra. No. Tungoda straight and forward. Uday. What do you want?
Back with silence, Ndeyechii. She bad as fuck, I hit her once, go tight on Ndeyechii. Boy. Hey. Muku killer fight, muno bo wine. Muku shy, my fans, mucha ro wine. Muri under pressure, makabonja me. My cousins attack kashi, muno snitch me.
Muno snitch Zong.
Mukoma. Mukoma nyeo. Disappointed.
Hafa chinjirwa beat so yanzi mchipinda hii.
My cousins ati kashi muno snitch.
Yeah.
Oh, nigga vibe you know to wanengo hangu she zozi sha kuga pinda video you know kana visa.
I feel like akuma na mangu matrix awanyora vanotungotisha
kana visa
chikoro freestyle baba chichimanya tungochima
shy my fans mucha ro wine. Muri under pressure, makabonja me. My cousins attack kashi, muno snitch me. Boy, handi tere shenima, handi tere makuwa, patino mada, handi shagere zoka pusha, handi shagere ana Judas. Mugu killer fight, muno pro why me. Mugu size my fans, mucha.
No, wait, no. Yeah.
Achinja ka 2.
Anzi. Wapia 2 my level, man. Anzi. Ah, mira.
Come on.
Mugu dabu Mugu da.
Bona. Tamo story ngo Crooger. Come
Pida chiko kada.
Song idotobuda mangwana.
Yeah, because the song vibe yake iri kuberu.
Atosiyana. It's different.
As chiko pina song idotobuda mangwana.
Benga.
Handi terere makuwa, patino mada. Handi shagerere zota pusha, handi shagerere ana Judas. Mugu killer fight, muno pro why me. Mugu size my fans, mucha row why me. Muri under pressure, maka ponja me. My cousins atakashi, muno snitch me. Handi terere shenimba, handi terere makuwa, patino mada, handi shagerere zota pusha, handi shagerere ana Judas.
Bitches look at me. Look at me. To my nuts when I speak, you look at me. When the king is giving speeches, look at me. Cause they're riding on my ways.
We got Crooger in the cut, we got Kikky in the cut. Son of gang, but they throwing 50s in the cut. Where the Chardonnay, I pop it like a blicky in the cut. We ain't gonna play, all my niggas with me in the cut, huh? Go violence, Ndeyechii. Tell her when I'm gone, I'm back with silence, Ndeyechii. Huh? She bad as fuck, I hit her once, go tight on Ndeyechii.
Boy, hey.
Yeah.
I would,
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Aba unoza anatomboisa zvakawanda musoro.
Avana.
It's basically each person had their own hook.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beat
So
chinjwa.
this item zvachifana kunzwa beat basically.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. Sun is the one who anozigadzira. It's dangerous.
Nopenga.
It's dangerous.
Nopenga.
It's dangerous.
Yeah. Well, guys, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it. If you're a Suhn fan, comment down below, guys. Your favorite track of
this EP. I don't know. It's an EP or
collection of music.
Playlist.
Let us know, guys.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it for the video, guys.
Yes, sir.